Welcome to my video and my YouTube webpage. My friend and I travel on the top of Angkor Thom's ramparts to explore and study the Northeast Temple, or Prasat Chrung Corner Temple, the temples built on the city rampart. Let us go to visit the temple together.
Now, we reach the temple gate that is given a name, Northeast Temple, Prasat Chrung Temple, or the Shrine of the Angle on the top of Angkor Thom city. It is a small Buddhist temple located at each of the four corners of the embankment wall surrounding Angkor Thom. The temple built in the style of the Bayon temple to dedicate to the Lokeswara Buddha. Let us continue to visit the temple together.
The Northeast Temple has not yet been restored. Cambodia government brought some woods to support the temple buildings and collected scattered stone carvings to keep one place. Please walk around the temple region with me to see the beautiful stone carvings. location of Prasat Chrung Northeast Temple on the top of Angkor Thom City's rampart. Thank you for watching my video and YouTube webpage. Come visit an adventure of the beautiful Kingdom of Cambodia. Bye bye. See you next video.